Namaste, this is S.K. Bathin Raman, Faculty of Pharmacy in Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Today, we discuss about urea cycle and its disorder. Now, learning objective at the end of the lecture. The students should be able to explain the uric acid cycle details, know the energetic of urine, and the understanding of regulation of uric cycle and the disorder of uric cycle. Now introduce. Urea is a major disposal from the amino acid derivative from the amino acid pole of 90% nitrogen content compound of urea. Urea cycle is a cyclic process. Some reactions occur in mitochondria, some in cytosol. Synthesis of one molecule of urine need 3 molecules of ATP, 1 molecule of ammonium ion, and 1 molecule of amino nitrogen aspartate. 5 enzyme of catalyze of number of reactions. 6 is participate in amino acid. Most of the several carry out the atom is becoming urea. Ornithine, citrulline, and the aspartate, glutamine, succinate, arginine, and the different type of enzyme activity in acetyl glutamate. Consume ornithine and reaction 2 are the regenerated at the reaction 5. No need to loss or gain of ornithine, citrulline, and arginosuccinate or arginine. Amine, carbon dioxide, ATP, aspartate are consumed. Amine plus CO2 carbonyl phosphate is product produced, and ornithine is converted to the citrullium, present of carbonyl phosphate. Ammonia plus CO2 plus produce the carbonyl phosphate is used as a conversion as a ornithine to citrullium, and now citrullium is converted to the arginine succinate, present of conversion of aspartate to fumarate. And arginosuccinate is converted to the arginine, and the arginine is recycled of ornithine. Okay, and arginine to ornithine is conversion and produce the product of urea. Now, first reaction in mitochondria, 2 ATP are used. Rate of the rate limiting step, irreversible acidic regulation. Enzyme carbonyl phosphate synthesis 1, CPS1 reaction consider 1 molecule of amine plus carbon dioxide and produce carbonyl phosphate. So in this reaction, they consider 1 molecule ammonia plus carbon dioxide, and the product is carbonyl phosphate. So define either between the carbonyl different location of use as different product are used, like carbonyl phosphate 1. Okay, carbonyl phosphate 1 and carbonyl phosphate 2 are located in carbonyl phosphate production in mitochondria, and carbonyl phosphate 2 are produced is a cytosol. We denote the CPS. It is a short form of carbonyl phosphate synthesis 1. Okay, it's a carbonyl phosphate synthesis 1, and it's a carbonyl phosphate synthesis 2. It is an important compound of in urea cycle. Located in carbonyl phosphate synthesis 1 in mitochondria, other one carbonyl phosphate 2 is located on cytosol. Nitrogen donator. It's a NH3 carbonyl phosphate is CPS1, and CPS2 is main amino acid, and to nitrogen is donated glutamine. And it's happening in urea cycle, and it's a pyrimidine site synthesis, and regulating the activity of NAC in acetyl glutamate and inhibit the CTP. Second reaction in mitochondria, enzyme with ornithine transcarboxylase. Action transfer to the carbonyl group to amino group on the ornithine. Product citrulline. Product is citrulline. Third reaction in cytosol, 1 ATP are used. Pyrophosphate are inefficient reaction. Enzyme is different is one molecule of aspartate to the produce of citrulline. It's product of 2 nitrogen atom in urea. Its product is arginosuccinate. It is the see that this is the arginosuccinate or arginosuccinate synthesis are used as a catalyzed form. It is a conversion citrulline to arginosuccinate. Reaction 4 in cytoplasm. Further inhibition the reaction, avoid the in enzyme location. It urea cycle linkage with Krebs cycle. Enzyme arginosuccinate lyase. This action is cleavage of arginosuccinate to arginine and fumarate. The production of arginine fumarate in fundamental Krebs cycle in the mitochondria conversion of aspartic acid. Reaction step 5 and reaction 5. In the cytosol, final reaction, the cycle ornithine in catalyzed by the presence of enzyme arginase. Reaction of hydrolysis of arginine and the urea and ornithine. It is the product. This is conversion of arginine to ornithine. Is present of arginase and produces urea. Overall reaction, urea is converted to the NH3 group plus CO2 aspartate and 3% of 3 ATP. Uric acid of fumarate plus 2 ADP plus AMP with PI. The overall reaction is say that it's the conversion of glutamic acid to alpha kilo glutamic acid present of oxidized and the produce NH3. NH3 plus CO2 of citric acid cycle is converted to carbamyl phosphate. Now carbamyl phosphate is present of carbamyl phosphate. Ornithine is converted to the citrulline and citrulline converted to the arginosuccinate. Arginosuccinate is converted to arginine and produce ornithine. On arginine to produce arginine produced to ornithine, it's a produced product is urea. Okay. Uric acid cycle is 4 ATP are used in a urea cycle. Formation of fumarate to malate to the oxaloacetic product of 1 NADH. Need energy expendable only 1.5 energy and phosphorylation in urea cycle. Regulation of urea cycle of enzyme level of changes in protein concentration, diet, starvation and the uric acid relevant to the meat increase the rate of protein catabolism. Final regulation, the measurement via CPS1, which is the positively effective in acetyl glutamate. Arginine activity of NAC synthesis in acetyl. Acetyl CoA plus glutamate is converted to NAC in acetyl glutamate and activated the carbamyl synthesis. And carbonyl synthesis, it is converted to NH3 plus HCO3 and converted to carbamyl phosphate. Disorder of urine cycle. In deficiency of urine cycle enzyme in hypoanemia, and when they block the step of anemia, which is self-accomplished by mass severe deficiency of lack of enzyme, several enzyme symptoms. Generally, disorder of urine disease, hyperanemia, and defect of respiratory alkalosis. And the symptom of vomiting, irritation, and lethargy come several mental effects. They accomplish anemia, blood, or below 40 mg per ml, the body fluid toxic symptom. Simplify by urea. Simply arginine is converted on ornithine to citric acid, and the guanidine site is cytosol. Mitochondria is in matrix is converted to CO2 NH2 carbonyl phosphate. Enzyme involved. Carbonyl phosphate synthesis CPS and hyperanemia is type 2. And the enzyme ornithine transaminase is causes for hyperammonia type 2. And the ornithine transferase deficiency is hyperornithine or ornithine. It is the hyperkanemia and causes for hyperanemia. It's also it's different arginine deficiency of arginine is caused by hyperanemia. It's also our causes. Thank you so much for hearing urine acid cycle.